force ready for the motor mount.
Shouldn't break anymore.
Nice.
No, we're not going for show, we're going for go. So, got our offset seal right here. There was a slight groove in the crank, so the engine builder machined it down. You can kind of still see where it was right there. Probably can see it in the camera. So it's got an offset seal. I can't remember what degree or how far offset he said it was, but I think hopefully we're going to be good.
Yeah.
So we'll use I'm going to use blue Loctite. And this engine is going into a Honda Civic dirt car. It's not a driving on the street car. But doesn't mean we don't need to do the right steps. Like use your nail to clean out the old gunk.
Yeah, that's the right. That's what the book says.
That's what the book says. I can show you page 17. Grab a bolt. Or you want to hold it?
I'll hold it while you.
Okay. Some blue Loctite on each one. I don't know if it's go around them and yeah. I mean, getting anything because this is only. We can take and see if it's actually 76 foot-pounds is the required torque. We got enough.
Okay.
You ready? That's impressive. Then for a little 3/8 ratchet.
Clutch time.
Clutch time. So clutch tool, and this one is a Acura 88 tooth. So we'll throw this up on there, which will probably fall off if Jacob doesn't hold it. And then got the flywheel. This is just an eBay clutch. I think it's a stage 16. No, it's stage 1.
Stage 25 and a half.
25 and a half. Torque specs on this?
19
foot-pounds. Okay, so this situation here, for anybody that wants to know, this is a Equus, I don't know it's the gauge from O'Reilly's auto parts store, but it's the only one that's the actual right thread pattern for a Honda. the other ones are thread pitch. The other ones are really not, but it's real bulky. So what you have to do on these older B series, since Honda only makes a couple different sizes filters, if you get a filter for like a newer Civic, like I got an 08 SI, and this uses a smaller filter, because if you go into the parts store and a lot of times ask for older B series filters, they're bigger, and then you couldn't run this because it would hit. So I just get the filters off of which if you go factory Honda filter, they're that small too.
Well, first start, right?
Yeah, I guess we'll try it. You ready?
Ready.